how to fix try again later on Instagram problem. So if you want to fix try again later problem on your Instagram, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, if you open up your Instagram and try to do something like follow someone or message someone, and if it says that you need to try again later, then you just need simply wait for a few hours, because sometimes the Instagram server might be down. So you just need simply wait for a few minutes or for a few hours, and after that again try to do the thing and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing we need to check is your app is up to date or not. So you need to open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates under your Instagram, you just need simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with the app info, go with storage and cache, go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to restart your device or reboot your device. After restarting, you can open up your Instagram and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.